So you indicated the cause of death on JJ was, well, I don't want to get this wrong. Why don't you go ahead and tell me what it was?
It was asphyxia by plastic bag over the head and duct tape covering the mouth.
Right. Plastic bag over the head. So tell me what evidence did you collect? Did you collect any evidence inside the sinuses? Did you swab the sinuses and pull out any evidence?
No.
Okay. Did you swab the throat or go down the throat somehow and swab anything down there?
Yes, we took oral swabs.
Okay. And did you find any evidence of microplastics or something that might be consistent with someone being smothered with a plastic bag?
Well, I wouldn't expect to find that, but no, we didn't find anything.
Okay. So how is it that you're coming to the conclusion that this person was smothered with a plastic bag?
Right. So, going back, so JJ was found with a plastic bag over his head that was duct taped tightly. He was bound. There was evidence of a struggle, and there's no other explanation of why he was dead.
So as a rule out?
I wouldn't consider a rule out because there's a plastic bag over his head.
Okay, but that plastic bag could have been put over his head post-mortem, right?
I guess that's possible.
Okay. But you're saying that your conclusion is that it was done ante-mortem prior
Correct.
to his death?
Correct.
And that's based on nothing concrete, just your theory of the way you think the crime may have happened?
No. I think essentially that's how an autopsy and all the tests, that's why you do all of those things. So you have a person with a plastic bag over their head and is bound, and you do all the tests and you do the autopsy and you find zero reason for them to be dead, then it's reasonable to conclude that that was the cause of death.
Okay, but let's back up a little bit. When I talked about swabbing the sinuses or swabbing the nasal cavity, you didn't do that?
I've never heard anybody doing that in this type of situation.
Okay, what type of situation are you talking about?
Bag over the head.
Okay, so when someone has a bag over their head and and I'm just going off of things I've seen in movies and whatnot, it seems
That's
like...
scary.
It's scary to you?
Yeah, but you're going off movies.
Okay. So, well, you're going off of
My knowledge.
knowledge. Okay. So when someone puts a bag over their head and they're trying to breathe in air, is that correct?
Yes.
How this happens?
Yes.
Okay. Does anything that's inside that bag, does it generally go inside the nasal cavity or inside the mouth and down the throat?
I've never heard of that.
That's not how it works?
No, not with the plastic bag.
Tell me how it works.
Essentially, the bag is put over your head, and you can't breathe, and then you go unconscious, and you die.
Okay. So nothing goes into the nasal cavity.
I don't know why it would.
What are you breathing in?
Air.
From where?
Nowhere. That's why you die.
From inside the plastic bag?
Correct.
Okay. So anything that may have been inside that plastic bag that was close to the mouth or nose would have gone inside the mouth or nose?
Not necessarily,
Okay.
no.
All right. I guess we'll just have to disagree on that.
Objection, that's not a question. Sustained.
Will we have to disagree on that?
I guess we will.
All right. Thank you.